So as you saw earlier, the John Deere was stalling out, and I'm not exactly sure why. I was looking at some different videos online, and I think that the fuel pump might be going, which is this part right here. And I ordered one offline on Amazon, and it came with that and this filter right here, 2 brand new ones. It wasn't very expensive. I'm gonna try that and see if it stops the stalling issue. I also bought some seafoam to put into the gas because I don't know if the carburetor is not clean. So I will swap this out and be back. So I've disconnected the 2 fuel lines. One is right over here, and then the other one that went into here. So I'm gonna put that off to the side. I had to get a 10mm metric socket to take these 2 bolts out. Taking the 2 screws out, and I found out that there is another hose back here. So I'm gonna have to take that out too. So when I was taking the old hose and trying to reconnect it, the hose actually came off. So now I think I have to take this off because I can't quite reach in there with the hose and push it on there. So as you could see, I had to take the whole bracket off. There was 2 screws holding it in, and then that way I could put the hose back on here. I'm gonna put the new pump on. Well, I gotta put the bracket on and then the new pump. All right, so I got the new one installed. I've got one of the fuel lines installed. I've got the one back here that I found out about reattached, and I just got to do this other one right here. I am glad that I took a picture beforehand because I am still new at doing this stuff and I forgot how to hook this up. So I had to look back at my pictures. So I would highly recommend people that are learning how to do this kind of stuff to take pictures before you start working. So the next thing that I have to switch is the filter right here. So one of my friends came over to help me with the first oil change that I did, and he suggested that I put this shutoff valve in, and I did it, and I think I can actually use it today. So I shut off the fuel. So I'm going to swap this out and then turn everything back on. I swapped everything out. One thing I did notice was the replacement filter did not come with a little arrow. You could see the arrow on there that tells the direction that the gas is supposed to flow, but I swapped it out and made it look like the way this one did, so hopefully it works. I'm gonna fire it up and then put some of that seafoam into the gas tank, and we'll see how it goes. So I had to go to the internet to figure out how many tablespoons is in an ounce. So I had to put 8 tablespoons in. 2 tablespoons make 1 ounce. The John Deere has a 2-gallon tank. They said usually you would use 4 tablespoons, but if you wanted to do a cleaning, you should use 8. So that's what I did. All right, so now I'm going to start it. Drive it around a little bit. I can put it in gear. All right, I think that did the trick.